Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, your founder of Online Study for You. Friends, TCS confirmed 12,000 layoff. That means TCS is going to fire 12,000 employee in financial year 2026. But freshers do not have to worry. I will explain you each and everything. There are many video on YouTube which is circulating that TCS is going to fire 12,000 employee. That is true, but freshers experience with 2-3 years, these employees will not be impacted. I will give you the complete picture how this hiring, firings, all those things happens. Also friends, regarding the onboarding delays, okay, and new hirings. So new hirings, there will be no impact. New hirings will be happening because they need young talent, freshers. That's what everything's are connected to a particular dot, okay, that we need to understand. Anyway, now if you'll search on Google will tell you. So this is onboarding delay, and here if you go, so TCS cuts 2% of workforce, impacting 12,000 employee. TCS to cut 2% of the workforce, okay, so around that will be around 12,000, okay. TCS to lay off over 12,000 employee amid AI-led technology disruption. So definitely this is happening because of technology. So very simple things is we have to keep upgrading ourselves. Many people had taken TCS as very much granted and as a government job, which TCS does not wanted to do it right now. But anyway, for freshers, no problem. If you have joined your company some 2-3 years back, no problem. See, please read this clearly. TCS confirms 12,000 layoff, mid and senior roles to be impacted. Mid and senior roles, let's say like 5+ years of experience, okay, 5+ only, okay. And senior level means say, so around 15 years of experience, okay. So minimum 5+, it will be more only, but I am just giving an idea here. They have clearly mentioned mid and senior role. Now I will tell you the reason also. Friends, suppose a senior level with 15 years of experience, or let's say 25 years of experience, okay. What will be their salaries? So their salaries will be, so generally it will be into 2. So let's say 50 lakhs, okay, let's say 50 lakhs. Now they are not updating themselves. If somebody is having 15 years of experience, so let's say 15 years of experience means around 30 lakhs will be the package. Generally what they do, they multiply by 2 average salary, okay, fine. So here after taking 50 lakhs or 30 lakhs, they are not upgrading themselves. They are not learning the new technology. They had taken it very much granted. Everyone knows TCS, like job security is there. Job security is there. That is still there, and it will be still there, okay. They are just going to cut off 12,000 employee, and this 12,000 employees, they are, they are, I mean, I should not use the word, but they are the one who are not benefiting the company in any ways, okay, who are not benefiting the company in any ways. Now you can understand, they are not doing basically anything, okay. So these are the 12,000. 12,000 is not a big number when you see TCS has around 6,10,000, okay, 6,10,000 plus employees. So out of this, 12,000 employee will be impacted because they never took the job very seriously, okay. So that is the reason. Now in 50 lakhs, how many ninja candidate will come? So 3.6 or 3.36, whatever it is. So let's say around 15. So let's say 15 only. So 15 ninja candidate with this. These are the young candidate, right? These are the young and talented candidates with updated with latest technology, having DSA knowledge. If we talk about digital, 7 candidates, okay. So 7 candidate will come, okay. They are very much well versed in DSA and other things. So now TCS will be more benefited from here than the senior and mid-level people who are just sitting and doing nothing. Okay, so they would have kept in mind from long time, and they would have got lot of warnings, they would have got PIP. So there are a lot of things happens. So please, if you are a fresher, then please do not worry about that. If you have joined the company some 2 years back, 3 years back, you do not. Mid-level means it will be like around 8 to 10. I have just taken a data, okay, 5 years plus, because you guys do not come in that 5 years plus slab. Okay, so that is clear. The company had a global headcount of 6,13,000 as of the June 2025 quarter, meaning the planned exit will affect approximately 12,260 employees. Now, one more thing you understand, friends. See, many times these things will be intentionally done. Now, what will happen? So after this news, right? So many people will start thinking, oh, TCS is not safe now. See, they hit the mentality. So now, 6,13,000 people. Now everybody will start thinking that I don't know if I will be there or not. Try to understand. So they will start switching the company. They will start switching the companies. So from TCS, they will go to Infosys, they will go to whatever company it is, right? So because they will have now fear of this layoff. So automatically, right? So automatically you will see around 5,000 plus employees will automatically exit. So even more than that, 5,000, I'm just giving you a number. So basically what will happen, they have a target of 12,260. So around easily more than 50% they will go automatically. So now they will be looking at only 6,000. Even there is a possibility that there will be more than 12,000 people or 15,000 people will leave. Okay, so that is how this IT industry works. Okay, so I hope you will get a clear picture here. See friends, I am telling you from my experience. I have more than 12 years of experience in IT companies. Based on that, I am telling you. Now, again, sir, what about onboarding? See, definitely here, onboarding for the lateral. So these are the people who are lateral hiring. Lateral hiring. That means they have some experience, 4 years, 5 years, 3 years, whatever experience it is. If you go here and check out, right? So somewhere it will be written, if you lateral hires, Labor Ministry summons TCS over onboarding delay of 600 lateral hires. So again, the freshers do not have any problem here in onboarding delay and all. Okay, because this is basically for lateral hiring, the one who has more experience, 4 years, 5 years, 10 years. So like this experiences. And anyway, Labor Ministry are looking into all these factors. So as a fresher, again, you do not have to worry. Okay, because they want young talent only. They want people with latest technology knowledges, right? See, now earlier whatever hiring was happening, right, for 3.36 LP and all, so that time they were not looking much into it, like okay, ठीक है, aptitude आता है, reasoning आता है, verbal ability आता है, आ जाओ भाई इधर. Okay, now they have started looking at coding. They have started looking at the people who are having artificial intelligence, machine learning. So you have to update yourself always. Okay, so that is one thing. So again, freshers, you will have no impact. So your onboarding will definitely happen anyway. TCS said also. So even that 600 lateral hirings, so all offers will be honored. Okay, TCS is known for their trust. Now see, one question I wanted to ask you only, and you please answer in the comment section. Okay, see, if you open a company, okay, tomorrow, if you open a company, many people will tell, because Ratan Tata is not there, so all those things are happening. You tell me, tomorrow you open a company, okay, you have 6,13,000 employees, and you see there are 12,000 employees are not working at all, even though you are repeatedly telling them, bhai, kaam kar lo yaar, itna high salary le rahe ho, right? Then also they are not working. What will you do? What will you do? You tell me. You will also decide, okay, so definitely somewhere it is, the company is simply paying few crores or $1 million money to these 12,000 employees, right? So that will happen everywhere. Okay, and that should happen, otherwise people will take it for granted. Okay, so you have to understand that if you are in IT, then you have to update yourself with all the technologies. Okay, so again freshers will not be impacted. Now many people have started telling TCS hirings is put on freeze. Okay, TCS hiring is put on hold. So there is nothing like that. Freshers, for freshers, right? For freshers, the hiring will still happen. So the batch of 2026, okay, and followed by that, the hirings will always happen. Okay, see, if you will see TCS paid hiring, that is still open. Okay, and free hirings also, based on the time, it will happen, because this companies, right, so they have to hire the fresh graduates, and that will be happening. So there will be no problem at all. So I only want to request you, friends, just do not look at the videos, because many people will do the videos for the views. Okay, TCS laying off 12,000, but what will be the impact of these videos on the candidate, they will never be able to understand. Okay, so that is the reason. See, if you have some fact, you please explain and tell them, okay, this is what you were able to see on the Google. You tell them this is what I googled and what I found, but nobody will do that. Just one one page they will open, TCS is planning to lay off 12,000 mid and senior employees. You have to tell. Onboarding delays, that is for lateral hirings. Okay, that is for lateral hirings, and definitely TCS is wrong over there, even for lateral hirings. So that is a separate topic. But freshers, please don't get involved into these things. Hirings will happen or not? Hirings will definitely happen. The college, the fresh graduates, see what happened. Now TCS is there. Again, Accenture hiring will start. Other companies will start hiring because they need resources. Every company needs resources. If TCS hires less, other company will be hiring. So that hiring and these things for the senior level employee, it will be keep going on. You do not have to look into that. It's my humble request, and that is the only reason I said, you friends, please do subscribe to this channel. If there is any news, okay, if there is any news which is relevant, which you should know, okay, I will definitely tell you, and genuine information you will be getting. So I told you in my previous videos, even TCS employee does not have these employees whom you are trusting. Now they will be afraid that they don't even know that they will be there in the companies TCS or not. Okay, so these people do not have any idea. They only don't know who will be there in the company and who will not be there. So don't ask to any TCS employee. Okay, I'm telling you whatever information is there, I will collect and I will give it to you. That's all. Thank you, take care, and lot of love. Don't worry, this is how this IT industry runs, and it will be, things will keep going on. We have to update ourselves, that we have to upgrade ourselves, that only is in our hand, and that is what we will be keep doing. Thank you, take care, and all the very, very best.